I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Chime to Cash App. To get started, first off, you want to open Cash App. After that, you want to click on the upper right corner of your profile here. Now, the method we're going to be using for this tutorial is that we're going to add Chime as a debit card, right? So after you've opened that, you want to tap on linked banks. And then after that, you want to link a debit card. After that, you want to add in your debit card number. After that, you want to enter in your Chime card details, so your month, your year, your 3-digit CVV, and also your zip code. And then you want to tap on link card. Now, once that happens, now you want to go to the bottom left there, $1, and then you want to add cash, tap on that. After that, you want to enter in how much you want to transfer. So for example here, I want to transfer $2. You want to tap on add $2, and then that's it. Your money has been transferred from Chime into Cash App. And in this case, I'm transferring $2 from Chime into my Cash App. And then that's it. You're done.